Thank you very much. Appreciation to everybody, especially Madame Stella Nyanzi, whom we miss so much in Uganda. At least today, I'm very happy that I've interacted with you. I can say Happy New Year. Uh, yeah, it is not easy to live in a place where the topmost leaders fear even their own shadows. You know, when you fear your own shadow, then you want to arrive on everybody who seems to have different opinion from yours, and you want to arrive in a very brutal manner. That is how it happens, and we must all fight it. If only few of us fight it, it's not going to be possible. Millions of Ugandans have to get up, rise up, and fight. As I say, we should pray, but pray as well as have some activities to fight the vice. It was somebody else, or it were some other people, the noob, the FDC's young people, and then Dr. KIZZA Besigye, probably the Karamojongs. So all of us Ugandans, we can actually, if we decide to be so fearful and stay as if it will not come to us. It was the Right Honorable Amama Mbabazi who tested his own sweat. He tested it during the time that he decided to contest for presidency. And yet, he was the person who championed this public order management act. And it arrived on his young people who supported him very much. They were brutally beaten, and some were even taken to prison. So we must learn from that, and we must rise up. Everybody who has contributed here, we have heard, and I think it's the way to go. What I can only say right now is that we must always appeal for constitutionalism, the rule of law, the institutions to work, and also democracy and good governance. While we appeal, we must put our arrested. Actually, they were abducted in in it was in November last year. So to me, it is wrong to think that he could have error somewhere. No, he has not. If he had, then he should have been arrested from Entebbe. Why arrest him? Why abduct him from another country? That is why we always say Dr. KIZZA Besigye is right. And they have tried to put up some charges on him, but every effort has not yet yielded any good results for them. That is why for almost now 2 months, Doctor has been incarceration without anything coming up very rightly. So we pray for Doctor, we pray for all Ugandans, we pray for peace in our country. We all see that countries where people are in war, civil war, or war with the neighbors, we can see how even the young ones are killed. So we don't want to go to that situation. We want to make sure that everything is harmonized, and we must respect different opinions. Different opinions does not mean that opposition. Eh? We are not opposing just for the sake of opposing. We are giving our views, maybe contrary views, to make Uganda a good place for all of us. Thank you very much. Let us protect Uganda together. Stella Nyanzi, you salute every.
Honorable Betty Ochan,